Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to HQ, which is Janus's headquarters. And this is the soft assembly, meaning we put everything together that we needed to make sure we have all of our parts before we leave Goshen, Indiana. So we're gonna head down to see Adam Diaz, pretty prominent name in the flat track and performance world. And we're going to see what we can do with doing a custom one-off exhaust system for the Gryffin 450 flat track bike. Once we're done with the exhaust system, we'll be heading down to Texas. I'll be heading back to Texas to do the final assembly, paint, saddleman seat, and get all that stuff kind of buttoned up so we can meet you guys at Sturgis this year. So I'd like to tell you guys a little bit about the sponsors. We have a laundry list of sponsors and folks that we're working with. We're gonna put all that together once we get the bike in final assembly, and we can show you the final product, and we'll show you guys and kind of go over a list of all the involvement and who was sponsored and who was a part of the team. For now though, I wanna go over the list of folks that myself and Blake Wharton have been working with and partnered with on this particular build. Saddleman Seats, Galfer USA for all your brake and brake assembly needs. Mickey Dunlap. Mickey Dunlap is one of the top tier guys for single cylinder Honda style motors. He does a lot of cool aftermarket stuff. You should check out Mickey and see what he's doing in the racing and performance world. Hoosier Tires. We have Robbie Bobby from the flat track world. Robbie Bobby, thank you very much. Now he's hooking us up with some wheels. BR Graphics has really done a great job, and I can't wait to show you guys complete custom decals front and back for the 731 bike, which is Blake's professional race number, and we're looking forward to seeing that. So I'm sure we have a few more sponsors that we're going to be utilizing for this build. Can't wait to share who they are, their stories, and the story of this build. And again, this is Janus, an American motorcycle company, going racing in American flat track AFT racing for the first time. And we can't wait to show you guys the bike, the final build. And as always, we will see you at the races.